How to fix the Apple Weather app not updating. Here are a few simple fixes you can try. First, open the weather and pull down on the screen to manually refresh the forecast. If that doesn't work, open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Next, scroll down and tap Weather, then set Allow Location Access to Always or while using the app, and make sure Precise Location is enabled. Now, go back to Settings, tap Cellular, scroll down, and confirm that Weather is allowed to use mobile data if you're not connected to Wi-Fi. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone and check for any available iOS updates by going to Settings. Tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Finally, if the weather app is still not updating, try removing your current city and adding it again, or reset your network settings if you're having internet connection issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most Apple Weather app update problems on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.